Prabhupada's biography, Lilamrita. It's very important to get to know about Srila Prabhupada, what Srila Prabhupada has achieved, how Srila Prabhupada has achieved what he has achieved is remarkable. And it is going to become a history in the course of time. No one has ever achieved whatever Prabhupada has achieved in the past. In the past, no one achieved what Prabhupada achieved. There are big heroes in the world who went out to conquer the world, but all of them failed. Now, the first one to try to conquer the world was Alexander the Great. He went from Greece, Macedonia, all the way to India. Alexander died in Persia. And you know why he died? He died of his heart failure because his dream was shattered. His dream was to conquer India. Because his idea was to conquer India would be synonymous to conquering the world. Anyway, so there are many. Another person who wanted to conquer the world was Napoleon. And in this way, there are various people who tried to conquer the world but didn't succeed. But there is one person who succeeded in conquering the world. Tell me, who is that?
Srila Prabhupada.
Right. Srila Prabhupada is the only person who succeeded in conquering the world. And he didn't do it with the sword. He did not try to do it with military power. He did it with love and knowledge, wisdom. And he conquered in such a way that although he left, his influence or his domain is increasing, becoming more and more wider. Right? Like there are areas which were not conquered by Prabhupada. He went and made the arrangements for conquering, like for example Russia or Eastern European bloc, which was behind Iron Curtain before. Another difficult country was the Muslim countries. They don't allow any other religion to be practiced. In the Muslim countries now, the Muslim countries have become, like some country has become like Gaur Desh, Damodar Desh. Bahrain is? No, Bahrain, Balaram Desh. Like if Alexander conquered the world, what would have done? He would have spread his influence, isn't it? Now, Prabhupada, what did he do? He established his ideology, Krishna consciousness. But how did he do it? Without any bloodshed. It's a transcendental revolution without any bloodshed. The old system is gone, new system came in. And that's what's going to happen. Eventually, all over the world. And what is the culture? No meat eating. Today's world is full of meat eating. No intoxication, no illicit sex, no gambling. And chant Hare Krishna, meaning become devotees.